Hello, my dear friends. This is Omkara Chitrala again with an amazing title or with another episode on the top three techniques of attracting abundance to your life in any area of life for that matter. For example, people say I need abundance in finances. People say I need abundance in career. People say I need abundance in every area of life. But the unfortunate thing is, if we want to attract abundance, there are few techniques which are like completely open right now in this world, which are very freely available on this world, which we are not able to understand, which we are not able to actually use them for our benefit. So today's live is going to teach you about those top three beautiful techniques using which you can attract abundance into your lives. I repeat, the topic today is how to attract abundance to your life using the top three techniques that were tested and proved in the researches during the researches of the book The Secret. And with these informations, I'm going to talk to you about how you can attract abundance, how you can manage abundance into your life with simple top three techniques. Sorry for this settings. Yeah, I think now I am good. As always, I have just come up to the live a few minutes early so that it is easy for me and for you also to set yourselves up. So we still have 3 more minutes. So I just came up a little early so that I can speak about the introduction about the topic, and also I can share this link with my friends and my colleagues and whoever I feel so. And I also would strongly suggest, and I can promise you, each and every single person who is watching this right now, that I am going to add value for the next 40 minutes. Next 40 minutes, I'm going to add as much value as possible. And I very strongly request you to please stay focused and stay tuned to whatever I'm going to speak in this live session today, right now. Do not get distracted with other stuff, because I'm going to share you a lot of information, lot of knowledge that can help you in attracting abundance to your life with simple techniques that I regularly use in my life. With that being said, if you are watching this on your Facebook, or if you're watching this on YouTube, whatever it is, if you're watching this on any platform, if there is a comment section that is available in the below, do give your questions, do ask me your questions so that I can answer them in the live, or I would reply to them in the comments or in any other format, whichever is feasible for me. So with that being said, my dear friends, if you're having any questions related to law of attraction, related to the topics that I ever discussed, like till today, and this is a 4-week program, and we are in a third week of this 4 weeks program. By like in next 1 minute, I'm going to start my live. So just give me some minutes so that I can share this live link with my friends and my colleagues. If you still have any further questions, or if you don't know about law of attraction, just say that, just ask me that in the comment section so that I can give you the answers. Just give me a minute, my dear friends, and I'll be back. Just stay there and just stay hold. You can also say me a hi. You can send me whatever information that you want to say. You can even ask me stuff. You can wish me all the best. So everything is fine for me. Just give me a minute so that it is easy for me to share this link with my friends, and we'll jump onto the topic. The top three techniques on how to attract abundance into your life using law of attraction. Okay, I think we are all done right now. If you are ready, if you are excited to know what I'm going to talk about today, say yes in the comment section so that it is easy for me to understand that you are alive and that you're giving me full attention. So if you're listening to this for the first time, you can actually get a notification that get notified whenever I come on live. You can click on that get notified so that it is easy for you to get notified immediately. If you're listening to this on YouTube, you can click on that subscribe and you can hit on the bell icon so that you can get the immediate updates whenever I have come up. So with that being said, my dear friends, I think we are already 1 minute past 7:30, so I'm going to start the content. But before that, I just want to know if you are alive and if you are interested to know about the law of attraction and attracting abundance into your life. If yes, say yes in the comment section, or say abundance in the comment section so that it is easy for me to understand that you are ready to listen and attentive to what I'm speaking. I'm just waiting for the comments, my dear friends. If the comments have come up, I will just immediately start. Say yes or abundance in the comment section so that I will know that you are excited to know what I'm going to talk about today. Say abundance. That is the topic for the day. Say abundance in the comment section so that I will start speaking about the topic today. I'm just notifying everybody in my group. So yeah, this will take a minute, but yet say abundance in the comment section. Okay, I'm getting. I think I'm getting some comments here. Right. So, with no delay, let me jump onto the topic of the day. What are the top three techniques of attracting abundance into our lives using law of attraction? Attraction is, in simple words, if I would put it in simple words, law of attraction is attracting anything that you need, anything, any person, anything in your life, attracting it into your lives by using your brain waves and subconscious mind and shifting your paradigm. It's a pretty simple concept. The only thing that we need is the few techniques. Okay, let me give you the importance of the techniques. The simple importance of the techniques is every person on roads can kick a stone and they can make a goal of hitting a wall. But without knowing the technique of kicking it from any direction and hitting a specific goal, you will not be able to do it. And that is called the technique. And without having these techniques, it is highly impossible for you to do anything rightly in very simple time or in very minimal time. So technique is very important when you want to do something in the best way, in the quickest way, in the easiest way with very short time. So that is the importance of the techniques. In any game, let's say it could be a life game, it could be football, it could be basketball, it could be cricket, it could be chess, it could be any simple or big or complex game, in fact. So techniques are very important, and that is the importance of techniques that I has already told. Now, what are the techniques that you can use in incorporating law of attraction into your life for your advantage? There are so many techniques in law of attraction, and in fact, those were not actually mentioned in the book, The Secret, that I'm referring to. But yet, apart from that, there are few techniques that are explained by my favorite speaker, one of my favorite speakers, Mr. Bob Proctor. And there are few other people who actually explained about law of attraction. Of course, there is a person called Gary V, or there are people who are the practical testimonials of law of attraction. For example, Jim Carrey. Jim Carrey is the actor, my most beautiful, amazing, one of my amazing actors. My favorite actors is Jim Carrey. He has acted in the film The Mask. The Mask. And in that film, he has done an amazing acting, but he is a live literal example of law of attraction or law of manifestation. Priyanka Chopra has said the same thing, that law of attraction has helped her a lot in her life. At the same time, there are so many people. Oprah Winfrey, who is an amazing woman who did amazing job in interviewing people and in showing body language skills. And by just listening to her skills of interviewing, I can learn a lot. And that's the beauty of Oprah Winfrey. But yet, she also have told that she is a live example of the testimonials of the book, The Secret, and using law of attraction to the benefits. So, with no delay, let me jump onto the top 3 techniques of attracting abundance to your life using law of attraction. Technique number 1, AVM technique. AVM technique is pretty simple. It's the affirmation, visualization, and manifestation. Say with me: A, affirmation; V, visualization; M, manifestation. AVM technique. So the technique is pretty simple. You have to create a positive, powerful affirmation. In my yesterday's live, there is a question asked: what is an affirmation? So affirmation is any statement with a normal object, subject, and a verb, but with the powerful adjective. Let's say, I am a man is a normal statement. If I add a powerful word like I am a powerful man, That is an empowering, powerful adjective that I added to man, and then it becomes an affirmation. Let's say, I love money. That's a normal statement. If I can reframe it using a powerful, empowering statement, then it becomes like, I am a money magnet. And that's an affirmation. And when you create an affirmation, when you form an affirmation, try to create that in a direction where it is having a past experience or previous knowledge that your brain can accept. For example, let's take an example. My client always used to say, I never get money for free. I never get money for easily. I have to work hard or smart, or I have to burn myself up to make money, is what my client used to say. And then I told him, just give me any one instance, at least 3 instances where you got money for free. And then he said, okay, I got money by my father-in-law when I have never asked them money. They said, you can have this much money because I thought I got some bonus in my company and I want to gift it to my daughter, and I just want to give this money to you guys. And I got money that way. I said, yes, that is one. Give me two other examples. The second example that my client has given is, whenever I am walking on roads, I used to find 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, or like 5 rupees. So that is one instance where I never worked, but I got money. Beautiful. Give me few more examples. Then he was like searching everywhere, and then I told him, have you ever wondered that you might have put some money in your pant pockets or shirt pockets? You never realized that you have kept it, but when you are in need, you suddenly has just tapped on it and you found a currency note. That is also getting money by doing nothing. You might have done it earlier, but that is where you have attracted money on that instance. And that's what I'm talking about. Try to create affirmations, but at the same time, those affirmations should have a connection, a correlation to your past or previous experience, so that your brain and heart can accept and connect to both of them. So that is the first one, affirmations. The next one is visualization. For example, if you want to attract abundance in the area or in the field of career, in your area of life, let's take it as career. If you want to grow to a higher extent, for example, you are a manager who you want to grow to a project manager level. So you're a normal manager, you want to grow to a project manager level, or you are a supervisor, you want to grow to what I can say is a shift manager level. So if you want, thank you, Nupur. Thank you so much for saying that. It's so true. Yes. And by the way, Nupur, if you are having any further questions or if you want to say anything, stay till the end and you will be called. If you want, you can share screen with me and you can speak or you can ask me anything on live and your questions will be answered. Thank you so much for that comment again. Now, coming back to visualization, visualizing is like, okay, let me tell you one simple thing. Imagining is the only power that humans possess. Sorry, I should replace only at some other place. Imagination is the power that only humans possess. English is a tricky language, of course. So imagination is the power that only humans possess. And these powers can be used for our benefit at the same time for our destruction. There is a famous dialogue in one of my favorite movies, and I don't even really remember the movie or the actor, but I only remember the dialogue, and that dialogue goes this way. You have never realized I have already won the moment that you thought about your failure. Your opponent's success is decided in your brain. The moment you think that you may fail, the moment that you think that he may win, your failure has already started. So do not try to visualize anything that is negative, anything that is against your will, anything that is against your vision. Try to have your clear vision. If you want to grow to a place, or if you want to earn this much money, if I have to build such a kind of a house, if I want to buy such a beautiful car, then be specific. Be specific to an extent where you have to be specific about your car color. You have to be specific about your square feet of your house. You have to be specific about the interiors. You have to be very specific about even the minute details of the mirror that you are going to place in your washroom or in your bathroom. When you have that much details, try to visualize that every single day before you go to sleep, before, like immediately after you wake up. Try to visualize these things. Try to visualize these things. Feel that you have already in the process of achieving it. Feel that enjoyment. Feel that excitement. Feel that enlightenment. Feel that. And the moment that you start excited, when you feel that excitement in your life, it is very simple that the third step in the AVM techniques, the third step is YM manifestation. Do not even think about it. Once you start visualizing it, forget about it. Do not crave for it. Do not run behind it. Do not like become like a maniac who always wants to run behind it. Don't do that. Just create your affirmations, visualize your vision, and forget it, and let the manifestation happen. That's pretty simple, and as simple as that. So if you get my technique, the first technique, AVM, affirmation, visualization, and manifestation technique, if you can understand that, if you don't have any further questions, say yes, I understood in the comment section so that it is easy for me to realize. And when meanwhile you comment, let me jump on to the next technique of law of attraction and attracting abundance to your life. Well, the second technique is the 21-day clearing technique. Yes, these days, especially in India, this is a very big problem. You see, universe is a pretty simple place. Universe has a pretty simple law that it always try to fill up this empty spaces. Yes, let me ask you, if there is an empty space in my hands, universe fills air with this, air within this. If my brain is empty, if I'm not thinking about it, universe starts filling all the random thoughts. That's why people who are doing meditation for the first time have the problem of thinking or focusing on a specific point, because universe is working on a pretty simple thing. It fills the empty spaces. So now, if you want to have something new in your life, try to create spaces. How you can do it? Yes, I have a simple technique for that. 21-day clearing up logic or technique. What you are going to do in this technique is very simple. Number one, give away at least 7 things for next 21 days that you won't want, and you give it for free. Okay, let me repeat that statement. Give away 7 things that you never want in future for free for the next 21 consecutive days. What are those that you can give? Yeah, you can give something like the old clothes that you are not using, or not working, or your memorable, or your kids toys that he's no more or she is no more using them. So those toys that you can give. So just like that, or you can even give away the pencil or a pen or an eraser or a pretty simple thing from a big thing, whichever you are not using, which you don't need anymore. Just give it out for free, give away for free. And that gratitude of giving, feel it, emotionalize it, and try to absorb those emotions into your feeling or into your heart, and that makes you feel grateful and gratitude for whatever you have. The moment you give, and the moment you feel affirmed, or the moment you feel emotionalized with the gratefulness or the gratitude, you feel so connected, and unknowingly the universe starts to give. Yesterday, when I was talking about Ask Me Anything on my Instagram live, there was a question, and I have told them one example, and I just want to reiterate the same example from my last live. The example is pretty simple. When your mother cooked you an amazing dish, if you say, or if you compliment her, "Mom, you know what, this dish is so amazing, I love this, I am so happy to have this food," and if you are feeling so grateful about it, the next dish that she makes it with so much of heart, passion, compassion, love, and affection towards it, isn't it? It's a pretty simple logic. And your mom is just any human being, but the universe, which is actually possessing all these human beings in her, won't she also be happy and does things with compassion, love, and passion towards the things that you want, when you appreciate the gratitude towards whatever you already have? That is the importance of gratefulness. That is the importance of gratitude. That is the beauty of being Right. With that being said, let's jump onto the details of this technique. The technique details, yeah, give away 7 things for the next 21 consecutive days for free which you don't want. The second thing is, universe would love to fill the gaps to create, so you have to create the gaps that we already spoke about. The next point is, give away the smaller stuff and let the universe fill the gaps with bigger stuff. Let me tell you, in your home today, if you just look around and see which are the things that are not required for you right now, just look around you. Just look around you. You will be having so many things that you thought that you may be using it in future, but you were not at all using till date. Try to give away those things for free. Try to give away those things. Try to make some space for the universe to fill. And you will never know, a new thing, a beautiful thing that you want will come and fill that space. That's pretty simple. That's very simple. Right. Let's jump on to the next technique, or the third technique of the day. That is the 369 technique. This is very rarely being used. This was, as far as my research is done, it is used by the Greeks or the Portuguese. So it is not even clear, because as per my Google research, it says that this technique is being used by the Egyptians when the pyramids were being built. And this, of course, there is still a conspiracy theory that is going around that pyramids were not built by humans. But as per my research, I am not speaking about pyramids or the aliens. I am speaking about a law of attraction, abundance attraction technique. So this third technique, I felt so immensely impressed with this technique. And this technique states that 369, 3 times a day, 6 affirmations, 9 weeks without missing a single day. See, it's pretty simple, and it explains the same that I have already told you in my previous techniques. The thing is, number one, every day do it 3 times. What you have to do? The 6 affirmations that you have built or that you have prepared for your own self. How many days you have to do like that? 9 weeks without failing a day. So for 9 weeks, you prepare 6 affirmations, and 3 times every single day, speak them to yourself, talk them to yourself. And you know what happens? Let me tell you what exactly happens. The scientific explanation behind what happens is very simple. Number one, first of all, let me explain you what are the 3 times, or when are the 3 times that you have to do this. Number one, before you sleep and after you lie down. So after you lie down and before you sleep, there is a short gap. Actually, these mobile phones are filling those gaps. But if you actually close your mobile phone and lie down on your bed, you will not immediately go to sleep. If you go to sleep, you will have that gap between lying down and sleeping. And during that period, try to think about these affirmations. You know what happens? Your brain will generate something called brain waves. And those waves will start creating the situations, will start creating the scenarios into a direction where tomorrow you will be having that situations which helps you, or which are in the direction of what you are thinking of, what's your visualizing before you sleep. That is the first thing, or the one thing that you can do. Or the second time is the immediate moment that you wake up from your bed. Usually we all have this tendency that we will have that consciousness, but we will not be waking up from our bed. So we will still feel that laziness. At that moment, think about this visualization, think about the affirmations. And that is the second time that you can think. The third time is whenever you are having food, or whenever you are drinking some water after a good amount of speech, or whenever you are taking some rest after a good workout, then think about these affirmations. Or whenever you are walking, running, swimming, jumping, drinking, eating, walking, crying, sleeping, screaming, every time, just think about these affirmations at least 3 times every single day. And once you do that, try to prepare 6 affirmations, not less than 6. It could be even more than 6, but it is suggested to keep only 6 affirmations, not more than that also. The reason behind 6 affirmations is that the magical number of 6 will have the tendency, like every human being have a tendency of rounding up figures to 5 or 10. So the moment when you write the sixth affirmation, you will actually work with your brain, and that is a little important for you to write down. So your brain starts thinking about something that is important, thinking something that is, for example, the areas of life are also built or divided into six different areas as per the coaching laws or the universal coaching center or the whatever I can say, the international coaching laws. As per the rules, the whole life or the areas of lives are divided into six different groups. The group number one is your personal life. Group number two is career. Group number three is wealth. Four is possessions. Five is personal life, career, wealth, money, possessions, family, yeah, family or relationships. In fact, friends and everybody comes into this group. So this is a larger group. You can actually divide them into individual groups, but yet this is the important thing, that you have to create at least six affirmations so that it is easy for your brain to realize that you have to do something that is extra, that is needed. And once you prepare your six affirmations, you do it every day 3 times, and do it for 9 weeks without any break, without any stop, like continuously for 9 weeks. And you know what happens? You will start behaving. See, law of attraction is not a rocket science. It's a pretty simple science. The moment you prepare your affirmations, you prepare it with positivity. You The moment you speak about your affirmations, your brain starts acting positively, and you start liberating the positive aura around your body. And when you liberate the positive energy, people for positive energy will be attracted to you. The words that you use will be attracted by the people who are actually thinking in the same direction. That is important. That is pretty important for your life. So do that. And by doing this for 9 continuous weeks, the beautiful thing that happens to you is you start behaving in the direction where you will start attracting abundance into your life. So that is the third technique, the 369 technique. So as I said already, the 3 techniques of attracting abundance into your life is done. But every single time, as I'm already known for the bonuses, I am giving you the fourth technique for today, the bonus technique of the day. Well, the bonus technique is, well, before that, let me see if you are listening to this and if you are excited to know the fourth technique of the day. If you want to know about the fourth technique, say fourth technique in the comment section before I reveal about the fourth technique. I will give you around 30 seconds for you to take that moment and write fourth technique in the comment section so that I will reveal you the fourth technique. Right now, from now onwards, in next 30 seconds, write fourth technique in the comment section so that I will bring you up the third technique. Or sorry, the fourth technique of the day. That is the bonus tip or the technique that I'm going to tell you today. Well, I'll give you around 30 seconds for now, and then you can write down the fourth, like write down in the comment section the fourth technique, and I am going to explain you about the fourth technique. Well, yes, let's see if there are any comments popping up. Meanwhile, let me jump on to the fourth technique, that is the night water technique. As I already told you, there is a gap between sleeping and lying down. Before sleeping or before lying down, if you have a habit of drinking water, it is good. It hydrates your body, as doctors say. At the same time, why don't you? Thank you, Bharati. Thank you so much for your comment. It keeps your body hydrated. At the same time, why can't you use that water for a different or to a next level of affirmations or to a next level of abundance? So what is that next level of abundance, or what is the technique that I'm going to tell you? The bonus technique of the day is, take a water glass. When you're pouring into that, just imagine the emotions, imagine the positive life, imagine the future, imagine the visualized or vision of yours in for future, and try to pour, imagine or feel that you are pouring your emotions, your positivity, your affirmations, your all the emotions are emotionalized with that water, and pour it into the glass. Look into the glass or look through the water and feel that, or emotionalize yourself with the water, and imagine or feel that this water is not just water. It is the content, or it is the positive things, or it is the affirmations, it is the future of yours, it is you. Just imagine your future self and try to have that water into your body. Feel every nerve is getting filled with that emotionalized emotion or with that emotionalized feeling, affirmations, futuristic you, and try to feel that inside you. And what happens, the brain starts understanding and receiving those water as holy water. Of course they are not, but yet the brain starts to liberate or generate some kind of enzymes that makes you feel excited, that makes you feel happy, that makes you feel comfortable, that makes you feel elated, joyful. And those water will make you to grow, or those water will make you to feel that excitedness when you sleep. And the moment you sleep, that excitedness, that feel, that emotion will make you to go down to a sleep, go down to a deeper layers of sleep, where you can only think about the affirmation that we have already taught, that you have already visualized. And those things will be keep on reminding in your brain, and you will not even feel any negativity around you. The moment you have positivity around you when you sleep, and the moment that you wake up the next day, you will be very positive, you will be very energized, you will be happy, and you start behaving very positively, and people like you, people love you. And the moment that people like you and love you, things or miracles happen around you, my dear friends. Miracles will happen around you. That is the beauty of your affirmations, that is the beauty of manifestation, and that is the beauty of visualization. Now, let me take you through the recap of all the four techniques in very short span. And meanwhile, if you are having any further questions related to law of attraction or manifestation, say those questions in the comment section so that I can answer your questions. Now, the recap of all the four techniques of law of attraction or attracting abundance into your life are: number one, the AVM technique: affirmation, visualization, manifestation. Create your affirmations. Affirmations are just any other statements which will be having a powerful adjectives in that statement. Just like I am a man is a statement, I am a powerful man is an affirmation. So create those affirmations. And number two, visualize yourself where you want to go, which life you want to live, what money you want to make, which house you want to build, which car you want to buy. Visualize yourself within that car, inside that house, with those people, and then manifest it. Forget about it, just manifest it. Automatically manifestation will happen when you do these things now practically and in parallel every single day. And when you ask me how many days I have to do, how many affirmations I have to do, how many times a day I have to do, that is the technique number three, that is the 369 technique. Every day, 3 times in a day, 6 affirmations, and 9 weeks without failing a single day. If you keep on saying these things for yourself, that will help you, that will make you a positive person and an affirmed person. Emotionalize yourself to the affirmations, that is pretty much important. And the second technique is the 21-day clearing technique. This is very simple. Like universe is working on the simple formula of filling the gaps, and if you create the gaps, new things will fall in place. So for next 21 days, or for next 21 days, try to clear out or give away 7 things that you are not using for free. It could be a pencil, it could be a pen, it could be something that is not you are using, and that you can give it for free. For next 21 days, you have to give away 7 things. And after you do this, you have created enough space in your house, and that makes the universe to fill it with something else that could be something that you always wanted. So that is important. Now, after that, the fourth bonus technique that I have is the water technique. Have a glass and try to fill the glass with water and emotionalize yourself with the water in a direction where the water is your affirmations, is yourself, is your feelings, is your emotions, and your futuristic self. Pour that water into your glass and have those water with that emotion, and feel that emotion when the water is going inside you. And you starts behaving, your brain starts to liberate those brain waves or the positive waves, which actually creates the scenarios for the next day for you to actually get the things done in the direction that you always wanted. Well, with that being said, my dear friends, Do you have any further questions? If yes, say yes in the comment section and ask me the questions. If you don't, it's fine. And if you want to speak anything, or if you want to share the screen with me, if you want to speak anything, then you can also ask me for requests so that I can bring you on the screen. And if you can also say interested so that I can bring you on the screen. And once I bring you, you can ask me any single question. You can share your feedback. You can share anything of yourself. And at the same time, my dear friends, I am going to record this video and I'm going to put this on YouTube so that it is easy for you. Great techniques, Omkar. Thank you so much for that comment, Bharati. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And we have come to the end of this session, my dear friends. We are already crossing 8 o'clock of the evening. So with that being said, if you are having any further questions, by the way, at the second thing that I want to tell you is next week I am going to come live with another beautiful topic, how to become abundance magnet. How can you become an abundance magnet is the next week's topic. Next week, Facebook, 7:30 p.m. Same Omkara Gopichand is going to speak about how to become an abundance magnet. Abundance in the field of life, in the field of money, in the field of family, relationships, and everything. Well, if I see, I think there are no comments. That means there are no doubts that you have. So if you have any further questions, I just would like to tell you about this. Just go to Google and search Omkara Chitrala, OMKARA space CHEETRALA, and you will find almost for 3 pages, you will find about me only, about me alone. And in every link, you will be finding either my YouTube, you will be finding either my Facebook, LinkedIn, or anything. And once you find it, you can just open and send me a hi. I'll be happy to respond to your messages. And if you're having any further questions, you can ask me in those DMs, and I will respond to you, and I will also use them in my next Saturday live I'm going to do with Bhavna on Instagram every Saturday 9 to 10 o'clock on Ask Me Anything related to any topic. So with that being said, my dear friends, thank you so much for staying in this live, and thank you so much for your love and support that you are giving to me all these days. Every live that I'm sharing is getting 1,000 near around likes or views within 24 hours, and that is all because of you. Thank you so much for this love and support. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. Have a happy weekend or have a happy evening. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.